Right Drive Academy Show Me Tell Me video series. Today we are in the Seat IBIZA FR SA Sport. It's a 1 litre automatic. It's a 2021 plate. And again, if you are very fortunate to be driving one of these bad boys on your driving test, how do you open the bonnet? On this side, the passenger side. The passenger side, here is the lever. And again, we pull it and that selects and opens up and pries open the bonnet. Again, with Seat, on either side run the S badge usually. So we lift up, get a bit of flex, and we're accessing the latch, which is in this manner. It moves across from the right to the left. So where the S is located, to the left of it, pushing all the way across, that selects it. Now, the support arm is on this side, so again, I would use left hand to hold the bonnet, right hand to pull this out, and it connects into here where there is an arrow to guide you and say, there's your support arm, just there. All right, with your support arm in and the bonnet is secure. Your general questions for your driving test, 3 questions, which are to do with the engine bits and bobs. Your brake fluid reservoir is located here, should be between the minimum and maximum levels. Minimum and maximum levels, brake fluid. Here is your engine coolant, and again should be between the minimum and maximum levels. Your engine oil dipstick is located here. You pull it out. Remember, it goes all the way down to the engine bay. You wipe it, get a fresh reading by putting it in, take it out again. It should be between the minimum and maximum levels. Engine oil dipstick, brake fluid, engine coolant. And all the way on this side here is your screen wash. Again, pull it up, make sure you put in whatever you need, make it topped up with screen wash or water or combination, and then we make sure we secure it, make sure that's covered. Here is your Seat IBIZA engine. Here is your battery, fuse box, your access to your bulbs respectively. And then when you're done, examiner says, please can you close the bonnet. Again, remember, left hand push, get a bit of flex so this can come out. We don't want to pull it too much, and then we secure it by placing it into, securing it all the way in. Never drop the bonnet. We don't want to pop the light bulbs. Get that one click in and then jobs are good. And so we are in a Seat IBIZA 1 litre FR SA Sport full automatic. And again, it's a very tidy little car. Let's have a look. Full paddle shift, automatic. So the left hand stalk, here it is. So again, activating the indicators on the right, indicators on the left, and cancel. This also has the cruise control connected. We're not really interested in that for our test. If you pull towards you, you are engaging the flash, and you can see the blue light coming on. Every time you pull it, it engages. If you want to engage the full beams, you've got to activate your lights here first. So again, lights are on the right hand side, so 0, automatic, side lights and tail lights, nighttime dip lights. When these are active, then you bring, so pushing it towards the car selects the full beams, putting it towards you deselects it. These are your light controls. Now, when you have these are your front fog lights and rear fog lights respectively. So again, we pull it towards us. The green light is your front fogs. Pull it again towards you, and your orange lights have come on, and these are your rear fog lights. And it's come up here. There is your rear fog lights. And when you push it back, it turns off. And again, if I just move that here, you can see, and I'll push it again to turn it off and leave it on automatic. These are your light sequences. On the right hand side are your screen wash, wipers, and all those controls. So here it is. It's very nicely identified. By pushing it down one, it activates just one wipe. Currently on off. Next level is intermittent, low, high. High, low, intermittent, off. So flicking it up activates it faster and faster, flicking it down deselects it. If you pull towards you, here is your screen wash being deployed, and that's towards you. When you push it backwards once, that activates the rear wipers. Let's do that again. There it is. And if you continue to push all the way, that activates the rear wiper screen wash. And again, that's done here by pushing it backwards all the way down, and then to turn it back off. These are your left hand stalks and right hand stalks respectively. Again, this is a full paddle shift automatic. Here is your display. It's a lovely touch screen, and we've got our rear demisters located here. So that's how you activated your rear demister, and this is how you would activate your front demister, and it'll kick in. And there we go. Now to turn on your hazards, there we go. Hazards are activated here, and that is again checking where your hazard lights are and where your indicator lights are, and we would turn them off. This is a Seat Ibiza 1 litre automatic FR Sport. Yeah, lovely little car.